Before we start with the chapter, Nirvimarshahi Bhiravaha, here is a short introduction and behind the scenes from the chapter. This chapter is in the form of slokas. The story is narrated through slokas in this chapter. Let's see the first sloka. अस्ति मागन्तिका नाम नगरी जाह्नवी तडे तस्यां मौनव्रतः कश्चिदासीत् प्रव्राजकः पुरा. So in this sloka there are three main words that should be memorized along with its meaning. One is Maunavratah in the second line. Maunavratah means vow of silence. Pravrajakaha is the main character of the story, the monk, and the story is happening in the Jannavi Tade, the banks of river Ganga. So the meaning of the sloka is, there lived a monk or a recluse who was observing a strict vow of silence, and he lived in the bank of river Ganga in a city named Magantika. There is a question from this sloka in the exercise, and the first question is Magantika Nama Nagari Kutra Asti? Where is the city of Magantika located? And the answer will be Jannavi Tade, on the bank of river Ganga. Now the second sloka, Pravishto Jatu Bhiksharthamegasya Vanijo Grihe Sa Dadarsha Shubham Kanyam Bhikshamadaya Nirgadam. So in this sloka, the main words are Vanijaha Grihe, in the house of a merchant, and Bhikshamadaya Nirgadam Kanyam, the daughter of merchant who was bringing alms. So the meaning of the full sloka is, once this monk went to a merchant's house for alms, and there he saw a beautiful girl bringing alms and returning. So there's the second question from the first Ekavakyena Samskrita Bhashaya Uttaram Likhata exercise is Pravrajakaha Vanijaha Grihe Kimartam Agachat. Why did he go to the merchant's house? Pravrajakaha Vanijaha Bhikshartham Griham Agachat. Bhikshartham is the answer for getting alms. Then in the third sloka, Drishtva Chat Budham Rupam Tam Sa Kamavashakaha Shadaha Ha Ha Kashtamiti Smaha Vanijastasya Srinvataha. So this is the main beginning of the story of Nirvimarshahi Bhiravaha. So he saw that girl and he said these words, breaking his vow of silence. Ha ha kashtam iti smaha. He said ha ha kashtam. Oh, it is so difficult. And merchant was listening to it. So that is the meaning of third sloka. Fourth sloka. Kim adyeva kasmat tvam maunam tyaktoktavan iti tachrutva vanijam tam cha parivradevam abravit. Abravit means said. Here parivrad is parivrajakaha only, the monk, and he said. Parivradevam abravit means the monk said. The merchant was surprised to hear the sannyasi talking and asked, why did you break your vow of silence? And why are you talking today? For which the monk replied. What did he reply is there in the next sloka. Durlakshaneyam kanya te vivaho asya yada bhavet tada sasutadarasya kshayaha syattava nischitam. Nischitam means definitely. Durlakshaneyam kanya. This girl has bad omens. Durlakshana means having bad omens. Te vivahaha asya yada bhavet tada sasutadarasya kshayaha syattava nischitam. So definitely, if she is getting married, your entire family will come to an end. That is why she is called as Durlakshana. So, in the second main, Second main first question. Kanya Vishaye Parivrat Vanijah Sakashe Kim Vadati is the question. Kanya Vishaye, about the Kanya, about the girl, Parivrat, the monk, Vanijah Sakashe Kim Vadati. What did he say in front of the merchant? So that question's answer will be the translation of this sloka. He said that she is having bad omen, and because of which when she gets married, you will be destroyed with your wife and children. That is what the monk said. Tadedam vikshi dukkham me jadam bhakto hi me bhavan tenaiva muktavan asmi tyaktva maunam bhavatkrite. So the monk replied like this: You are my disciple. I was so worried for you, so I broke my vow of silence. That is what the monk replied to the merchant. Next sloka is Tadesham Kanyaka Naktam Manjushayam Niveshita Uparinyasta Deepayam Gangayam Kshipyatam Tvaya. This is one of the important slokas of this chapter. The second line is a question in the fill in the blank section. Uparinyasta Deepayam Gangayam Kshipyatam Tvaya. So, with the lamp over it, where the box should be thrown into the river Ganges. Gangayam comes as the answer in the fill in the blanks. In this sloka, the instruction given by the monk to the merchant is given. Tadesha Kanyaga. So this girl need to be kept away from the home. So the idea that the monk gave is, at night, put this girl in a box, keep a lamp over the box, and throw it into the stream of the Ganges. That is the idea the monk gave to the merchant to keep her away from home. Then the next sloka, Tadhedi pradibadyedat gatva soadavanik bhayat Naktam Chakre Tadha Sarvam Nirvimarshahi Bhiravaha. So the name of the chapter, Nirvibharshahi Bhiravaha, comes here in this sloka, and this sloka has the answer of question number 3 from the first main. The question is Ke Nirvimarshaha. Ke Nirvimarshaha means who don't ponder. Who don't ponder to what they listen? Bhiravaha, the cowards. Cowards don't ponder to what they listen to. So here it is about the merchant. He did what the monk asked him to do because he is very scared about the future, what he may face according to the words of the monk. Then the ninth sloka, Pravrajakobi tatkalam uvaja anujaran nijan gangam gachata tatrantar hantim yam cha pashyatha. So at the same time, the monk gave instructions to his disciples also regarding the same box, because with that plan he had asked him to put a lamp over it to recognize the box. This sloka is an answer of question number 2 from the second main. Pravrajakaha nijan anujaran kim uvaja. The question means what instruction did the monk gave to his disciples. He ordered his disciples to go to river Ganga and bring the box which has a lamp lit over it to his hut. That's what he told his followers. So that is the answer of the question. Then the 10th sloka, Prishtastha Deepam Manjusham Guptamanayate Hatam Udghataniya Nachasa Shrutepyandardhvanaviti. Prishtastha Deepam. Prishtastha Deepam means having a lamp lit over. Where? Manjusham, on the box. Guptam Anayate Hatam. Bring it in a secret way. Guptam, without showing anybody. Udghadaniya Nachasa Shrutehe Andardhvanau iti. So this is the following instruction that he gave to the disciples. He told them not to open the box even if they heard any noise from the box. That is also part of the instruction he gave to the people. As it's a very big chapter We'll continue with the explanation